In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to grill tilapia, and trust me, you will love it. We are making it just like the village style or how we used to make it in the olden days. Hello, if today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome. We do easy cooking recipes. If you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. So I have my tilapia here, okay, and I'm just going to clean it very well. But if you want to watch my video on how I clean my tilapia, I have the video on my YouTube and Facebook page at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So now it's not everyone who will be comfortable with the blood, so that is why I covered that part. I'm just going to bring everything out and then clean it very well, okay, so that we won't take anything bad in our body. Thank you so much. If please you haven't followed me on Facebook, can you do so for me at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes? And I'm on all the social media platforms and the name is the same, Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So as we are done, we are just going to remove everything from the water, okay? I washed it very well with some lemon juice as well to remove that fishy scent from it. After that, we are just going to make some incisions so that we can just put our marinade there and our fish, which is so good. So I'm just going to cut that part, the tail and all the fins, okay? Yes, if you want to leave it, you can leave it. Now after that, I'm just going to add some salt and add some all-purpose seasoning. After adding that, I will just go ahead and add some water and then let it stay there for about an hour. The tilapia is very big, so that is why I let it stay there for an hour. But when it is small, after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, I just remove it from the water, okay? Now I have my pepper, ginger, garlic. I have some basil here. You can see it is very fresh, and the peppers that I'm using is chili, okay? It is very spicy, and you can use any pepper of your choice. You can use habanero, any type of pepper that you want. After that, I'm going to wash all these ingredients and then we start grinding. We are not going to blend it, okay? Do you know, before I started the YouTube channel, I used to use the Ediware only. I wasn't using my blender. I didn't like blender at all. Yes, it was only the Ediware that I was using. Until one day I was like, this YouTube, it takes a lot of time, so I think I have to use my blender. That is when I started using blender. Until then, it was just anyway that I was using. So after washing all those ingredients, I've added my pink salt to that, and then I'll go ahead and grind it very well. This pepper was very hard to grind, but it doesn't mean you can't do it. You can do it, okay? I've added some black pepper. I added some smoked paprika. I added my rosemary. I've added some parsley and then the basil, okay? I will grind it very well and then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please subscribe. It is free, they don't take money, okay? Now I've added my seasoning, that is my fish seasoning, and I've added some soya spice. Oh my goodness, it actually took the fish to another level. Oh yeah. And I've added some oil. Just imagine soya spice plus the smoke that will be coming out from the charcoal. Oh my goodness. So after an hour, I'll just go ahead and remove the fish from the seasoned water. Okay, and then use my paper towel to wipe some of the water from it. Okay, after that we are going to smear the marinade that we prepared on it, and you can just allow it to stay for some time after that. But hey, there is no need to do that because already the fish was seasoned. Okay, and that tastes so good already. So I'm just going to smear that on it and you are good to go. You can wear your gloves if you want to. Okay, but usually I have a reason for not wearing gloves, but one day I'm going to share with you. The only thing that I wear gloves when I'm doing it is when I'm preparing pork. With that, I don't feel like touching it. I'll tell you something one day. Now I'll go ahead and put it on my rack and then start grilling. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it with the griller, the cover, okay, for it, so that the smoke can enter very well. When you see it, you may think maybe it's a smoked fish. Yes, just like this. We've not flipped it all. So we are now just going to flip it. What you are seeing is just smoke, and oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Yes, very delicious. I'm just going to flip it to the other side, and I have done that. We waited for some few minutes again, and just look at that. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, take good care of yourself and love yourself first. I love you. Bye bye.